Hello and welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So, do you want to give a Diwali vibe to your phone? So, yes, in today's video, you'll be seeing a nice art which will uh, give a nice Diwali vibe to your phone. So, yes, and this DIY is made by my friend Richa, whom you might have seen on my second channel most of the time. And yes, she also has made 2 or 3 DIYs before, and that has been uploaded as well. So you'll get that in a separate playlist which is named as DIY by Richa. So this is one more which she made for Handy Gifts. So yes, let's not waste time and go ahead.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.